Hello and welcome to the Tech Fix Show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go from the official China ROM to the official global ROM on any Xiaomi device. I will be showing you specifically the links for my Mi 8, but for any other Xiaomi device all you have to do is find the relevant files. Now this is a very quick and simple procedure that will take you approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Please back up everything and just make sure everything you want to be safe and secured and backed up is backed up. Now, one caveat is at the moment, once you've installed the official global ROM, there is no current way of relocking your bootloader. For some people, that's a big issue. For me, I don't particularly care. If you do, maybe you want to hold off and leave it a little bit longer until Xiaomi lets us relock the bootloader. Now, finally, there are some quirks with the current Mi 8 global ROM. If you have any issues or anything, please let me know in the comments below and I will help you out in any way I can. So let's begin.
Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to back up all your data. Do this by going down to additional settings, backup and restore, and first let's make a physical backup that's going to be saved in this location. Next we're going to want to back up to the Mi Cloud, just so it's going to be super easy to restore your device after you've installed the custom ROM. Next we're going to want to enable developer options by going to all specs and tapping the MIUI version 5 times until it's enabled. Now let's go back down to additional options where developer options will now be clearly seen. Now first thing we're going to want to do is enable USB debugging. We're going to want to link your account, your MIUI account, to your device, and you're going to want to enable OEM unlocking. Now let's turn off the device. Now all you need to do is put the phone into recovery mode. You do this by holding the power button and the volume down button. Now hold these two together until the little MIUI mascot pops up on screen. And that's it, you're basically done. You want to put your phone down and plug it into the computer. So now that's done, let's head over to the MIUI and let's download the MIUI unlock tool. Now you are going to have to apply for the right to unlock your account by going to the website. This normally takes a couple of days, from like 1 to a week, to actually get approved, but once you are allowed to do it, you'll be allowed to do it forever. So let's open up the MIUI unlock tool. Let's agree, you log in, then with the same account that you linked previously with your device. If you don't, then this is just going to cause some authenticity problems. So again, it's checking that your account has permissions, which hopefully if you've applied for, you've received. Nice and easy. Now let's plug in your device and just basically let's click through. Let's ignore all these stupid little warning signs because we know what we're doing. So basically that's about it. It should run quickly and easily through to 100%, and now your device will be unlocked. It will of course unfortunately erase all your data, but because we backed it up, it should all be safe and secure. Now next thing you want to do is keep your device turned off and keep it preferably in fast boot mode.
So now all we need to do is download the Mi Flash tool, which will be on this website here, which will be in the link below. Download from one of these links, and once it's on our desktop, let's just unzip it and let's go ahead and open the application. Now once that's done, we can refresh and make sure our device is connected, which it is, and we're going to want to go down and click clean all and make sure we don't click clean all and lock. The last thing you want to do is relock your bootloader, because if anything goes wrong you're going to be screwed. Now let's go over and download some of the ROMs. There's 2 that I put links in, the 9.5 global ROM, and I've also included links for the global MIUI 10 global beta as well, just in case you want to choose. Now once you've downloaded one of those, you again unzip and open it up just to double check
the folder is there and inside. Now once that's all done, make sure your device is still there, click on it and click on the folder inside the folder where it won't work otherwise. Double check you've clicked clean all and not clean all and lock, and then just proceed, and that should install the latest version of the global MIUI ROM for you.
So that was my quick little guide. Hopefully everything went smoothly. If it didn't, please again let me know in the comments below. Please check out my other videos, especially the one on installing a custom ROM, in case you don't want to go down the official route. Please check out my other videos and subscribe if you loved the video, liked it if you liked it, and that's about it. Bye!